So I have this USB cable. Okay, so I'm going to connect this. So I'm going to put it here first inside this. Okay, plug it in, and then over here I'm going to connect with my Windows, and then the lights are blinking, and if the connection is successful, it will also make a sound. So you heard the sound. So when you heard that beep beep sound that comes with a nice beautiful tone, that means that it is successful. So I'm gonna disarm again. Sorry, I mean disconnect again and let you hear the sound. Okay. So I'm going to disconnect it from here. Not that one. That's from my Windows. So I'm gonna connect it one more time. Okay. So light is blinking, and now the sound would come. So let's hear for it. Okay, this is the sound I'm talking about. Okay, so that's the sound we need. That means that it's connected with your computer. So that's what it means. That means it's well connected, the whole system over here, because the buzzer was making noise. So that means that's a great thing. All right. So make sure this is lighting. All right. So it has not much to do it now. We'll see that how it works in future. Okay. All right. So the next thing we should see over here. Okay. All right. So the next thing we should see over here, you should select your port. Okay. So in my case, I'm with Windows COM4. For a lot of you, might be COM3. So you have to know which one. And sometimes this port is not enabled. So you have to go ahead and enable it. All right. So select this. In general, the one that connects has COM. That means that's the one that you should go ahead and connect. Okay. So let's go ahead and click on this. All right. And then over here, you need to go ahead and click connect, this button, and you'll see something like this. Okay, and it changed great. And at the same time over here you will see that it says disconnect. So that means if you click on it, it will disconnect. Okay, and it will reconnect. All right, so it's connecting with Mavlink. So now that's what we have, and you should also have the same thing. And over here you should have similar output. Now depending on the version, a little bit different. Here you might see different messages. Okay, right now we are not connected with any battery, so that's why we say this thing is basically the battery input and output range. Okay, all right, and not ready to arm, that means we are not ready to fly. So that's what you have to mean, you have to understand. And then GPS no fix, that means the GPS is not connected. And of course the battery information, everything zero, because we are not connected with zero. But then we are not connected with battery. And then also disarmed safe, which means it is in disarmed situation. That means that it's not ready to fly, and it's disarmed, not flying state, which means it's very safe. All right, and then over here it should be this thing over here. If you move it, okay, you'll already see that it starts to show you the orientation of your device. So the place where I am right now, it might not be completely flat. Okay, so that's why it is showing you like this. So this position is complete flat for me. In general, most of the time when you put it on a flat surface, it should be flat. Okay, and we always have to make sure before we fly, it is always like that. It has to be flat like this. Okay, all right. Okay, so now anyway, so that's the basic UI understanding. I mean, basic understanding from the UI, that this information, what it means. And then also we see that this is your information. So for now it could be any random values for you guys. How you put it doesn't matter. As you rotate, you will see that this changes the value. Okay, in different direction. In general, you have to move it together with the campus, all right, or the GPS. Okay, all right, so a lot of the things will change, especially this one, this value. As you can see that this value will change, a lot of other value will also change. But of course in coming tutorials we'll see how to set up these things, and that's why we are going to learn over here, and we are learning.